Good morning children, welcome back to grade 4 computer science online class. So we are dealing with the lesson 2, that is more about Windows 10. So in the last class we have discussed about operating system, then Windows, isn't it? Windows is the most popular using operating system, isn't it ma? We learned no, Windows is the most popular used operating system. Then we have discussed about the Windows 10, isn't it? Windows 10. Then we learned about what is desktop, isn't it ma? Have you remember what is desktop? What is desktop? Yes, when you switch on our computer, the first screen we can see what screen ma, that is called as a desktop. Okay, when you switch on the computer, the first lock screen and then sign in screen appears. Afterwards you can see, after the sign in screen you can see a screen that is called as desktop. So here this is the desktop. Okay, so here we have this page. Okay, this screen is called as desktop. We learned, isn't it ma? And we have learned about icons. So we know in the desktop we can see lot of small pictures, that is called as icons. So these are the icons present inside the desktop. Okay, then we have learned about this piece, isn't it? So we have here, isn't it ma, in our desktop we can able to see this PC icon. Okay, then we have learned about the start screen, isn't it? Start screen. So when you click on the start button, so here we have the start button. Okay, so in the desktop we have we can able to see the left side corner a small window like structure is there, isn't it ma? That is called as start screen. Okay, sorry, start button. So if we click on the start button, we can able to see the start menu. Okay, this is start menu and the start screen we can able to see. Okay ma? So here in the Windows 10 we can see the tails, isn't it? So these are called, this is called as tails. Okay, so we can able to see the tails. Okay, so in the tails we can able to move the tail. We can able to move this tail from one place to next place. Okay, so this is a moving tail. Then we can able to resize the tail. Okay, we can able to resize the tail. Okay, so if we click on the any one tail means we can able to see resize option. So in the resize option we can able to see what are the things we can see ma, small, then medium, then wide and large. Okay, these are the options we can able to see under the resize. So we can able to resize the tail as our wish. Okay, then we have learned about how to add the app in the tail, isn't it? How to add the app to the tail. So we can able to add any app from the, so if you want this calculator to be in the tail means if you click on the pin to start. Okay, if you want to add the app to the tail means we have to click on the start menu. Okay, there we have to give pin to start means the calendar. Okay, so sorry, calendar no, calculator. Okay, so calculator tail is open in our start screen. Okay, you can able to see no. So if you no need this means just if you click on that particular tail means you can see the first option unpin from start. So if you click on the unpin from start means it will be removed. Okay, so the tail will be removed from our start screen. Understood ma? So if you want to add the app means app to the tail means we have to give pin to start. If you want to remove means we have to give unpin to start. Okay, understood now? So today we are going to learn about the wallpaper and the screensaver. Okay, today we are going to learn first thing is what ma, wallpaper and start screen. So first we can see what is wallpaper. Okay, so background image that you can see on the desktop is called as wallpaper. Okay ma? So in our desktop, so this is a desktop. Okay, when you on the your computer first screen after the login, you can see the picture, sorry, you can see the screen that is desktop. So what is wallpaper ma? The background image that you can see in the desktop. So this is the background image. Okay, so this is the background image you can see at the back, you can see in the desktop. So background image that you can see in the desktop is called as wallpaper. Okay, don't forget what is wallpaper. The background image that you can see on the desktop is called as wallpaper. Okay, once again, the background image that you can see on the desktop is called as wallpaper. Okay, so you can able to change this wallpaper. Okay ma, as our wish we can able to change the wallpaper. The next one is what? Screensaver. What is screensaver? the image that you see when your computer is idle for some time is called a screensaver. Okay, so if you keep the computer idle for some time, you can see a screen. That screen is called as what, ma? Screensaver. Okay, so you can able to change the screensaver as well as you can able to change the wallpaper. Okay, so we can see how to change the wallpaper or how to change the screensaver. Okay, so how to change it means just a simple only. When you on the computer, you can able to see this desktop. You know, this is the first screen. This is called desktop, and the image, otherwise the background image we can see in the desktop is called as wallpaper. This is a wallpaper. Okay, so here when you on the computer, we can see the start button. Okay, this is a start button. Okay, if you click on the start button means we can see the start menu as well as start screen. Okay, so in the start button, you can, if you scroll this, if you move the mouse means you can see the setting option. Okay, this is setting option. Okay, you can able to see here. Okay, it's like a small flower like structure. Okay, this is setting option. So if you click on the setting option means you can see a setting window. Okay, we can able to see a setting window will be open. Okay, so under the setting window we can see the system option, then device option, then phone, work, network and internet. So next you have personalization, then app. Okay, so these are the things you have. Okay, so here what we have to do, it means first we have to click on the start button. Next you have to click on the setting option. If we click on setting option means we can see lot of things. So here we have to click on the personalization option. Okay, so if you click means we can able to see the background option, then colors, login screen, theme, start, then taskbar. Okay, so from here we can able to change the background image. Okay, so otherwise, okay, so one thing, if you want to change the background means you have to click on the start button. Okay, you have to click on the start button. Once again, see it, ma. Just I will close this. So if you want to change the background image means first you have to click on the start button, then you have to go to the setting option. Okay, left side you have the setting option. Okay, if you double click on the setting option means the setting window will be open. So here we have to choose personalization option. Okay, if you click on the personalization option means we can able to see the background option, colors, then lock screen, then themes, start and taskbar. Okay, these are the options are available. So from here if you click on the background means we have lot of pictures will be available. So from there we have to choose any one of the picture and give OK. So our background will be changed. Okay, this is one mode. Otherwise you have to right click on the desktop. So in any place of the desktop, just if you right click means, so we know that in the mouse we have two buttons. Okay, in the mouse we have two buttons, that is right button and left button. Okay, right and left button we have. So if you click on the right button, if you click on the right button, if you click on the right button means we can able to see the personalization option at the bottom. Okay, so if you click means the same screen, the setting screen will be open here. Okay, so background is there. So this is the currently opened background. Okay, ma, this is the currently we have the background. So by if you scroll means we can choose any picture. Okay, so we can able to choose a picture from here. The picture will be available here, and if you click means we can see the lot of pictures will be open. Okay, ma, have you understood? So likewise we can able to change the theme. Okay, we can able to change the theme, then we can able to change the pictures, colors, then screensaver, then taskbar we can change like this. Things we can able to change by using what, by clicking. First we have to click on the start button, then setting option, the setting window will be open. From there we have to choose personalization option. If we click on the personalization option means we can see the background, then screensaver, theme, and then pictures, colors, then taskbar, start, these options will be there. So whatever you want to change means just you click there and choose any picture from there, and if you give OK means our background, otherwise our screensaver our taskbar, everything we can able to change it. Okay ma, have you understood this? So next topic we are going to see is File Explorer. Okay, File Explorer. So what is File Explorer means? File Explorer is a program that helps in viewing and managing the files and folders. Okay, so if you want to manage the files and folders means we need to use it, we want the File Explorer. Okay, so File Explorer is a program, it's nothing but it's a program that helps in viewing. Okay, we can able to see it and we can able to manage the files and folders. Okay, so we have some steps to open the File Explorer. Okay, we can able to open the File Explorer, so we have to follow some steps. So just a simple step to open the File Explorer means just you have to click on the in your keyboard you have the screen. Okay, window like structure. Okay, window like so here we have a start button, window like one picture is there. No, likewise in our keyboard also one picture is available. So if you press on the window button and also the same time you have to press the E button. Okay, so we can able to see the File Explorer. Okay, so this is a File Explorer window, it will be open. Can you able to see it ma? File Explorer. Okay, I understood. Just you have to press the window screen as well as the E. Okay, E button at the same time you have to press it. Okay, otherwise you have to click on the folder icon and you can open the File Explorer. Okay, so File Explorer will be appears. The File Explorer screen is divided into two pans. Okay, so this is a File Explorer. This File Explorer screen is divided into how many pans ma? Two pans. Okay, so first at the left side. Okay, at the left side this is called as navigation pan. Okay, yes we can. So this is a File Explorer screen. So in the File Explorer screen at the left side, okay, at the left side we can able to see the navigation pan. There are two pans are there. First one is navigation pan. Okay, then the second one is the content pan. Okay, this is the content pan. Okay, so we can able to open the File Explorer by pressing the window button and also the E button at the same time in the keyboard. Okay, in the keyboard our keyboard consists of the window button and some letters will be available now. So at the same time you have to press the window button and the E button togetherly. If you click means automatically our File Explorer will be open. Okay, so File Explorer is a program that helps in viewing and managing the files and folder. So if you open the File Explorer means the screen will be like this only. The File Explorer screen is this screen. So the File Explorer screen we can able to see two pans are available. Okay, this is a left pan and right pan. Left pan is called as the navigation pan. Okay, this is a navigation pan. Okay, and also the right side pan is called as the content pan. Okay, this is called as content pan. Okay, left pan is known as navigation pan, which will display the drives and folders. So we can able to see the drives and folders at the left side of the File Explorer, that is the navigation pan. So in the navigation pan we can able to see display the drives and folders, and also the right side pan is called the content pan. So in the content pan we can able to view the folders or the files. We can able to see the files and folders in the selected folders. Okay, so these are some folders and files are these are some files. Okay ma, I understood this. How to open we know, just you have to press the window button and also the E button togetherly. So the window File Explorer window will be open. So the File Explorer screen has two pan, that is left pan is called as navigation pan and the right side pan is called as content pan. So in the navigation pan we can able to see the drives and folders, and in the content pan we can able to see the folders or the files in the selected folders. Okay, have you understood this? So next topic we are going to see how to open the libraries in our Windows 10. Okay, Windows 10 we can have the libraries. Okay ma. So how to open it, the library means just simple only. So we know how to open the File Explorer, isn't it ma now? So how to open the File Explorer means just you have to press the window screen as well as the E button. So our File Explorer window will be open. This is a File Explorer screen. Okay, it will be open. So in the file explorer screen, what we have to do, it means we have to click on the view tab. Okay, so here you have file tab, home tab, share tab and view tab. So if you click on the view tab, okay, if you click on the view tab means we can see the group, okay, available under the view tab. So at the left side, at the left corner, we can able to see navigation pan, okay, navigation pan. So if you click on the navigation pan, okay, drop down arrow is there, isn't it? My drop down arrow is there. If you click on the drop down arrow of the navigation pan means we can see navigation pan, then expand to open the folder, show all the folder, and next last option is what ma? Show libraries. Can you able to see? So if you click on the drop down arrow of the navigation pan, we can able to see the navigation pan, then expand to open the folder, show all the folders, and show library. So if you click on the show library option in the navigation pan, if you click it means we can able to see the libraries, okay, under the navigation pan. See here ma, we can able to see the library option, okay. So we can able to see the library option, okay. So it will see the special type of folder is called the library. Okay, what is libraries ma? The special type of folder is called as the libraries, okay. So now we know how to open the libraries, isn't it? First we have to open the file explorer, then we have to click on the view tab. In the view tab we can able to see the navigation pan, isn't it ma? So if you click on the drop down arrow of the navigation pan means we can see the library, show library option. If you click means we can see the library option is present in the navigation pan, okay, navigation pan. So what is the use of this library means it helps us to access all of your content of one type through a single folder, okay. So what's the use of libraries? So libraries help us to access all the content, okay, all the content of one type through the single folders. For example, if you can include all the songs in one folder in our library, okay, that is called as music, okay ma. See here, I will open the library option. So if you click on the library options means we can see these are some standard things available under the libraries, okay. So library help us to have all the content, okay. So single type of content, everything will be inside the one option, that is a library, okay. See here ma, music means you can able to see all the type of songs in this music option under the library. So likewise videos also. So all the types of videos is available under the library. Then camera, we can able to use the camera in the Windows 10, okay. It's a special feature in the Windows 10, okay. And also we have pictures, okay. So what are the pictures is present in our system, everything will be we can able to see in a single option, okay. So library help us to access all the content of one type through the single folder. So for example, so all the songs will be comes under the music, okay. What are the songs you have in the system, everything will be include all the songs in a one folder, that is called as music, okay. And the libraries are the shortcut of the folder, okay. So what is library ma? Libraries are the shortcut to folders, okay. Libraries are shortcut to folders. Maybe they will ask for the one more question, what is libraries? Libraries are shortcut of folders, okay. There are 4 standard libraries in the Windows 10, okay. So in the Windows 10 we can able to see the 4 standard libraries, okay, in Windows 10. What are they means? First one is camera roll, then second one document. So here in the document option we can able to see all the documents comes under the document library, okay. The next we have the music, and the next one videos. These are the 4 standard libraries in Windows 10. What are 4 standard libraries ma? Camera roll, document, music and videos, okay. So libraries are the shortcut to folders, okay. So now we are going to create our own library, okay. We are going to create what ma? Our own library. For that we have to first open the file explorer screen, okay. So here already it was open, okay. So now we know how to open the file explorer. So File Explorer consists of two pane, that is navigation pane and content pane. Okay ma. So in the navigation pane we have to choose the library. Okay, we have to select the library. Okay, so this is a navigation pane. We can have the library here. So if you click on the library, we can see the content present inside the library will open in the content pane. It's a content pane. So what are the content present in the library, it will be displayed on the content pane. Okay, so next if you right click on the library, we can see some options present. So there we have to click on the new. So if you click on the new, we can see a library will be open. Okay, so if you click on the library, you can see a new library folder will be open. Okay, new file library will open. So there we have to enter the name. Okay, so here our library is our own library is open here. So here we can able to give the name of the library, that is name of the folder. Okay ma. So here I have given photo. So if you click on any place under content pane, means the name of the new library will be displayed there. So the photo is a new name of the our own library is present. If you no need, mean just you right click on that. So you have the delete option will be there. So there we have to give delete. Okay, so if you give delete means the photo in the, that means the our own library we created, it will be deleted from our libraries. Okay ma, have you understood this? So today we have learned about how to change the background picture and how to change the screensaver, taskbar, then pictures, everything, how we can able to change it by the use of start button, isn't it ma? Then we have learned about how to open the File Explorer and what are things inside the File Explorer, and also we learned about library and how to create the new library. Okay ma. So based on this lesson I am going to give some questions. Okay, study the question answers. Okay ma. So, unit 2 more about Windows 10. So first Roman number 1 answer following we have. Look at the first question ma. How will you add an app to tail in start screen? How will you add an app to tail in start screen? The answer is, to add an app to tail, right click the app and select pin to start. See once again, how will you add an app to tail in start screen? The answer is, to add an app to tail, right click the app and select pin to start. Okay, then look at the second one. What are the 4 options that appears when you resize a tail? What are the 4 options that appears when you resize a tail? The answer is, the 4 options that appears when you resize the tail are small, medium, large and wide. See once again, the 4 options that appears when you resize a tail are small, medium, large and wide. Look at next third question. What do you understand by libraries? Name all the libraries present in Windows 10. See once again, what do you understand by libraries? Name all the libraries present in Windows 10. The answer is, libraries are shortcut to folders. Libraries are shortcut to folders. There are 4 standard libraries in Windows 10. There are 4 standard libraries in Windows 10. They are Camera Roll, Documents, DOCUMENTS, okay, Documents, okay, Camera Roll, Documents, Music and Videos. Look at once again ma, what do you understand by libraries? Name all the libraries present in Windows 10. The answer is, libraries are shortcut to folders. There are 4 standard libraries in Windows 10. They are Camera Roll, Documents, Music and Videos. Okay, so you have to study the 3 question answers, and remaining portion we can discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.